Hello, when you're doing the wiring, make sure that you buy one of these kits. It's literally a set of like 3 keys that go into the socket. Just give me a sec. So the socket literally looks like this. This is the old one. These keys just go into like the little holes inside of them, like so, and it depresses the little pins that holds the electrical pins together. So those will prevent you a lot of headaches. Also remember to remove this purple retainer. This is like a secondary lock that keeps the pins in place. In the older style, you don't use it. It's a mechanical restraint. This one has a double restraint, so be careful so you don't destroy your wiring.